Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. Now in today's video I just thought I would share with you how I'm just going to fix this little bit of pottery. It's got a few chips at the bottom, quite simple and easy. We're going to use a product called Milliput, a superfine white. Now I'm not sponsored and I really enjoy using this product, so I thought I would share with you how we're going to fix this bottom of this vase here. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing if you enjoy the video for more content, and let's get going. Right, so the Milliput comes in two parts here, and you want to mix them in both equal quantities. If you don't, it doesn't tend to set, and it does take around, 24 hours for it to set, but you really want to make sure it's nicely combined. So I like to just take one part and roll it into a ball, and I do find this easier then because then you can compare to the other part, make sure it's all wrapped up. And then let's just take the other parts here, and there tend to be slightly different tones of colour, so you can actually see when it is combined. So again there, and then again just mix it into a ball shape. Two bits together, slightly harder one there, a little bit more. Now it does come in, Milliput does come in other different colours as well, and I tend to use the superfine white mainly. It's nice and easy to sand down as well. So once the balls are the same size, you want to combine them together, and you'll know when it's fully combined because it will end up almost like blue tack in the hands, nice and soft. And when you first start, it almost looks like a marble effect, and the more you combine, the more it becomes one colour. See here now, it's nice and combined, it's all one colour. It feels softer, it's more like blue tack in the fingers and slightly softer. Now I'm going to use a little implement here, and it's slightly flat on the end here, to actually apply and to smooth down. If you don't have anything like this, you can just use your fingers or even a cocktail stick or a very small palette knife. I also have a little bit of water here in a cup just so I can smooth down at the end as well. So we just take our item here, find the base, and then we're just going to take a little bit of our Milliput and just place it. I like to sort of make a sort of the rough shape to where it is, and just place it. It is self-adhesive. If you do have a larger surface area, I do tend to then apply glue first. Because these are small chips, I'm just applying as is, and then just again on there. Smooth it down a bit more. If you have any surplus, you can take a bit off. You need a little bit of surplus for when we actually come to sanding, obviously, so you don't end up with any ridges. So I like to just smooth it all down, take off any little bits. Obviously, when you have pottery, it's more porous and does tend to chip and break off slightly more. And then with the finger, I'm just dipping it in with a little bit of water and just smoothing it out a little bit, getting into that shape. And then I'm going to leave this for a good 24 hours for it to dry, and then it'll be ready for sanding. And then we're just going to do just a little bit of hand painting, because this is quite a crude piece, and a little bit of glazing to finish off. So just a very quick one today. I hope you found this video useful. Again, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for more content, and also a thumbs up if you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.